Roy Nemi, A&D Collision and Glass, is joining us today. Roy, let's talk about how A&D Collision handles insurance claims for your customers.
Absolutely, we'd love to. We handle and work with all insurance companies. There's nobody that we don't work with.
Okay.
The way we handle the process is we are from start to finish, cradle to grave, so to speak.
Yeah.
You make a claim, we'll handle it from the very beginning to the very end.
Right.
Try to make it as pain-free as possible. Insurance can be an interesting field to navigate, especially if you don't know the ins and outs. And sometimes you can get a little confused or delayed. And our goal is to try to keep that delay from happening, get you back in your vehicle, get it repaired sooner.
So what should we know about the repair process before even bringing or calling you?
Yeah, the repair process, before even calling me, understand that you have the right to choose. Your insurance company will have a list of preferred repair facilities. You don't have to choose that one if you don't want to. There will be pressure. There'll be there'll be pressure behind it to try to navigate you that direction. But in the state of Michigan, you can choose any facility that you like and trust.
And we should say that you're located in Hazlitt on Old M78, right?
Absolutely. Yep, we're in Old M78. We've been there 33 years. We're not going anywhere. We're here to serve the community. So.
Well, let's talk about guarantees, warranties for the repairs that you do.
Yeah, absolutely. So we stand behind our work. We offer a lifetime paint and corrosion protection on any painted part, as well as the physical part that we install.
Do you get people wanting to change the paint color just for fun much?
We do. So there are people that are very adventurous that would like to have their car completely recolored. We see it more so in motorcycles and things like that. Cars can be quite expensive. We do have a YouTube video that we shot recently with a gentleman that we recolored the entire truck. So if you're interested in seeing the process, we took a 2007 truck, recolored it to a we call it sun-kissed orange.
Oh, fun.
Awesome.
Yeah, so very, very cool project.
So Roy, right now, I would assume that you're really busy with, deer accidents and stuff like that.
100%. This time of year leads to two different things, right? Deer collisions and winter slide-offs. So obviously we saw the first snowfall today, right?
Right, yeah.
So if you have any animal collisions, deer collisions specifically, we specialize in that. We'd love to help you.
And as a repair shop too, can I bring it in for just like, hey, can you do a diagnostic and make sure there's nothing that I need to get ahead of, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of people don't realize that we are a full service repair facility as well. So we are a one-stop shop. We have 14 bays repair shop. So if you have something as simple as a flat tire, as complex as check engine light diagnostics, we can do it all.
A&D Collision, inc.com for more information, or give them a call at 339-6003. Thank you.
Thank you for having me, guys.